I've had a bit of a quick look about seeing what's under there. It looks a bit rusty, so fingers crossed I don't have to get my welder out again. I contacted Lanoguard and they agreed to send me their large underbody rust protection kit with the injector pack. It's 138 quid, so it's not, this is the biggest one they do, so it's, you know, it's a fairly decent price. So I get 2 of these, 2 times 2 litre moto spray, and then this is the main product. This is what you spray everywhere. Also get a tub of Lanoguard Easy Underbody Rust Protection. This is like a grease. It's not actually a grease, but it works like a grease. And you can paint that onto the nuts and bolts and any really exposed areas, and then you spray it. They also sent me the spray gun, so that goes into the bottle when you just spray, so no air compressor. They also provided me with a spray bottle, so if there's any parts that I can't get to, or maybe I can just have some in there and just give it a bit of a spray whenever I need to on anything I want, rather than actually cracking open the bottles again. And they've also sent me, this is the injector. So you screw that onto there, and now you have a 360-degree injector, so I can get into the nooks and crannies like this inside the actual chassis rails.